Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR in a white exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with black trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium gray cloth, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you will have 13 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 14 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 6 and 32 seconds. While we're in here, we'll also open up the back. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera and a bed cover. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just over 87,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have a small storage area as well as your automatic headlight option. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your headlight options as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your audio options as well as your talking options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options as well as your lane assist. And you will also have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your four-wheel drive options. You will have a 12-volt plug-in, as well as a storage area. You will also have two cup holders. You will have your gear shifter, your park and brake, another cup holder, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options as well as your traction control, and you will also have a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 2.7L i4F DOHC 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have a couple stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple chips. Here on the passenger side of the bed, you will have a couple chips as well. Here on the tailgate, you will have a couple chips as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips. You will also have a couple chips here on the front driver's side door. These are all pre-owned vehicles here at All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR in a white exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA.